Hello everyone, my name is Oliver Badargonia and I'm 17 years old.
Offense or defense?
Defense.
Clutch shot or game-winning assist?
Class. Game winning assist.
Practice or game day?
Practice.
NBA or PBA?
NBA.
Ankle breaker or poster dunk?
Poster dunk.
Trash talk or silent killer?
Silent killer.
Early lead or comeback win?
Early.
MVP or champion?
Champion.
Home court or away game?
Comfort.
Jersey number meaning?
Jersey number 2 because I have 5 brothers, so my kuya is 1 and me 2, and nakasunod sa akin is 8 hanggang 5.
Favorite food?
Favorite food, adobong manok.
Ito. That's all.